Younger women do this when flirting with older men. Hey there, it's Anna. As an older gentleman, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you are uncertain if a younger woman is just being friendly or if there's some playful flirtation going on? Can be a bit of a puzzle, right? But today, we're diving deep into the playful world of flirting, specifically how younger women might express their interest towards older men. We'll explore the distinct cues, gestures, and hints that they often employ. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear lens to discern those playful nudges from casual interactions. Ready to demystify the dance of attraction across age brackets? Let's unravel the secrets together. Complementing maturity. It's no secret that maturity is often associated with age. When a younger woman consistently points out her preference for the maturity, wisdom, and stability that older men bring to the table over the impulsiveness of guys her age, she's not just stating a fact, she's flirting. By emphasizing this distinction, she subtly indicates her attraction and comfort with the age difference, showcasing her genuine appreciation for the older man's seasoned perspective on life. Asking about your past. Nostalgia has its charm, and stories from one's youth are filled with adventures, lessons, and a world that might seem intriguing to someone younger. When a younger woman is continuously curious about the era you grew up in the music you danced to, the challenges you faced, or the milestones you've celebrated, she's not merely satiating her curiosity, she's flirting. This interest reveals an eagerness to connect deeper, bridging that age gap with understanding and a shared narrative. Mimicking your gestures. Body language can often betray what words conceal. When she subconsciously starts mirroring your actions, be it sipping the drink simultaneously, leaning in when you do, or adopting similar postures, it's a clear sign of her being attuned to your presence. This mirroring is a universal sign of attraction. In the context of older men and younger women, it also indicates a desire on her part to find common ground, to align herself more closely with the man's energy and vibe. Playful teasing. Humour is a powerful tool in the game of attraction. Light-hearted, playful jokes about age gap or teasing remarks about the classic things associated with the older man's era aren't just for laughs. They are her way of flirting. By initiating such banter, she's indicating a sense of comfort, playfulness, and most importantly, interest in the unique dynamic that the age difference brings into the relationship. Sharing modern trends. So you've started noticing her enthusiasm in introducing you to the latest music hits, trending movies, or the newest cultural buzz? It's not just about sharing her likes and dislikes. When she makes an effort to bridge the generational gap and get you into the groove of modern trends, she's signaling a desire to build a shared experience. It's a subtle way of her saying, hey, I want you to be a part of my world. Seeking guidance. Has she been coming to you with questions, seeking advice on personal matters, or even trivial dilemmas? It's not by accident. When a younger woman values your opinions and leans on your wisdom, it's a clear nod to your life experiences, and a sign she admires and trusts you. This is more than just seeking advice. It's a flirty way of intertwining her life with yours. Initiating conversations. If she's frequently the one starting conversations, sending those good morning texts or checking in to see how your day was, take note. This isn't just friendliness. Her desire to keep the communication flowing, especially outside of necessary interactions, shows an eagerness to connect and get closer. She's invested in knowing about your day, your thoughts, and your feelings. Engaging online. You know that little ping you hear on your phone? If you frequently find her name popping up, liking your photos, commenting on your updates, or sharing something she thinks you would enjoy, she's making sure she's on your radar. This isn't just her being active online. It's a digital age way of flirting, ensuring she's in your thoughts and that you associate your online space with her interactions. Discussing relationship dynamics. Has she ever steered a conversation towards age gap relationships? If she's discussing the pros and cons and challenges, or even casually asking for your views, it's a sign. She's not just seeking a debate, she's subtly exploring how you both would navigate such dynamics. By sharing her perspective, she's given you a window into her thoughts about potentially dating an older guy, possibly you. Using updated slang with explanations. Caught off guard with a "that's so lit" or "no cap," but then she chuckles and explains what it means? She's not just keeping you in the loop, she's building a bridge between your worlds. When she introduces you to modern slang and then takes that effort to explain, she's creating shared items, inside jokes, and ensuring you both have a special bond others might not understand. Casual touches. Physical connection speaks volumes. Those brief brushes against you, the way she might straighten your tie, or even those playful shoves when you're joking around. They are her way of subtly expressing interest and establishing a physical connection. It's more than just being friendly. These touches signify a comfort level and, more crucially, an intent to get closer and establish intimacy, even in the smallest of ways. Suggestive glances. Have you ever caught her looking your way a bit longer than usual? Well, there's a type of gaze that goes beyond casual observation. When she holds that prolonged eye contact, or if you've spotted her stealing glances, especially when she believes you haven't noticed, it's not accidental. For younger women, this can be a subtle method of conveying attraction to older men like you, hinting at a deeper interest beneath those eyes. Expressed admiration. Looking sharp today, or I love the scent of your cologne. Ring a bell? Well, compliments are always pleasant, repeated and specific ones, especially about your grooming or attire, come from a place of deeper admiration. Younger women drawn to the refined elegance of older men often notice these details, and they will not hesitate to express their appreciation. It's a blend of flirtation and genuine admiration. Listening intently. If during conversations she's not just hearing but listening, and you notice it in the way that she leans in, maybe tilts her head slightly and gives you her undivided attention, it's special. While the age gap can bring differences in interests or topics, her genuine curiosity in what you have to say bridges that gap. It's her way of signaling that she values not just the conversation, but the man behind the words. Remembering small details. Remember when you casually mentioned your favourite book or how you like your coffee? If she brings up those tidbits later or even surprises you by incorporating them, it's a clear indicator. For her, those minor details aren't so minor. She's not just remembering, she's storing these pieces of information, signaling how much she treasures your interactions and is eager to showcase her attention to detail. Open body language. Have you noticed how she seems to naturally gravitate towards you in a group? When a younger woman is into an older guy, her body often speaks volumes. If she's positioning herself with an orientation towards you, maintaining a relaxed posture and keeping her arms open rather than crossed, it's a non-verbal cue of her receptiveness. This body language is her subconscious way of signaling that she's comfortable around you and, more importantly, interested. Discussing future plans. Have you heard about that new exhibition coming up? Or I've been thinking of checking out that new cafe downtown. If she's dropping hints about future events, movies, or activities she's interested in, it's not just casual conversation. The subtle undertone? She's imagining or hoping you would be there alongside her. By giving you a glimpse of her plans, she's extending an unspoken invitation, hoping you'll express the desire to join in. Light-hearted challenges. Does she playfully challenge your opinions? Maybe engage in some light banter that keeps the conversation energetic? When she engages in these playful debates and nudges your viewpoints, it isn't a sign of disagreement. On the contrary, it's a flirtatious tactic. Younger women often employ this method to maintain a dynamic and stimulating conversation, ensuring the dialogue with their older counterpart remains lively and memorable. Dress to impress. While everyone likes to put their best foot forwards, if she's consistently upping her fashion game, especially on occasions she knows she will meet you, it's no mere coincidence. That extra effort in selecting the perfect dress or spending a bit more time on makeup and hair isn't about looking good, it's about catching your eye. Younger women, when flirting with an older man, often go the extra mile in presentation, hoping to bridge any aesthetic gap their age might bring. So, you've unlocked the secrets of how younger women flirt with older men. Up next, the art of making younger women pursue you, or what makes older guys irresistibly attractive. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button for more insights.